No games today, guys. That was Madison Bear playing on the background in my intro. And today I'm going to be unboxing my second order from Beauty Pie. It is Pie Day today. Okay, so before we actually get into what I ordered in my second batch, I'm just going to briefly go over the products that I ordered from my first order. I actually have a video of these products and I will put the link down. But this is the first thing that I purchased, which was the Apricot Cleansing Balm. And I purchased this mainly because I want to get back into double cleansing. I also have a actual facial cleanser here as well. So I got my balm and I also have a facial cleanser. This is the Plantastic Cleansing Balm, and then this is the Super Healthy Skin Deep Purifying Cleanser. I also purchased a micro peeling drops. This is from the first batch. This is also from the Plantastic range. I have not used any of these products yet because before I start my skincare routine, I want to make sure that I have all of the steps for a full facial. Additionally, I also got a clay mask because you should be masking your face at least once a week. And I also have a facial moisturizing lotion. So those were the first 5 products that I purchased in my very first Beauty Pie order, and this was last month. I wanted to complement the existing first 5 products that I have, so I'm now going to show you exactly what I ordered. We're going to be using cleansing balms or cleansing oils. You definitely should look into having a proper cleansing and exfoliating cloth, and this was one of the reasons I picked up this product. The typical price for this is £15, but members pay £7.04 each. So roughly you're paying around a little over £2 for each cloth in this, and I don't think that's a pretty bad price considering that it is an organic and it has a double side to it. So this is going to go perfectly with my Plantastic Apricot Cleansing Balm. Okay, so the next one that I ordered is the Dr. Glycolic Multi-Acid Micro Peeling Pads. I have used a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner before, so I thought this would be an interesting product to purchase because it is peeling pads, which makes it easier for you to grab and go, and then you don't also have to pour the toner onto a pad. But I will say that I ended up buying both the toner as well as the micro peeling pads. I will also note that with these glycolic acids, you're not supposed to use them every day if you have a normal or combination skin, which is what I have. And I learned that the hard way because I kept wondering why my skin was looking so patchy. I think maybe it was a little reaction because I was overusing the product, sometimes twice a day, but you're not supposed to. And that's clearly stated here on the box that if you have normal combination skin, then you should be using this every other day. So I got the Dr. Glycolic Micro Peeling Pads as well as the Dr. Glycolic Purifying Glow Toner. And both products have glycolic, multifruit AHAs, niacinamide, and soothing polysaccharides. The peeling pads were made in Switzerland, and then this one, oh yeah, both of these are actually made in Switzerland, so that's nice. So the member price for the peeling pads were $9.65, and then for the Dr. Glycolic, it is £12.37. And I think I would probably interchange between the uses between both products because I also have this micro peeling super drops here as well, which is the same thing as the pads. So we'll see how it goes. Next up is the Beauty Pie Wonder Scrub, which was a back in stock option. I think I really wanted to get a scrub in my facial routine, so this is why I purchased this one. It's a biodermabrasion face polish with fruit enzymes and volcanic lava spheres. I'm not sure what that means, but these are the directions for use and the list of ingredients. It is formulated with botanical fruit nutrient pineapple enzymes, soothing senza butter, and volcanic lava spheres, which help unclog the skin and diminish the appearance of large pores to create a radiant, more even skin tone. And then lastly, I have this Jeju, I think it's pronounced daily, but it's a rehydration mist. This was, I think, a new product that I recently just discovered. I didn't really use mist, but I thought this was really nice to have. It has antioxidants, it's soothing, it's an hydrating toner with hyaluronic acid, bamboo grass, and cherry blossom. These are the directions for use, as well as a list of the ingredients. And it's formulated with hyaluronic acid, Jeju Jori, Jeju Blossom, and Scutellaria by Calensis root extract, which helps protect against free radicals and reduce the visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles and pigmentation marks. So that is my entire collection of skincare products that I have purchased so far from Beauty Haul. I can't wait to show you how the products look inside the boxes. There you have it, all of the skincare products that I have purchased from Beauty Pie thus far. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.